So there's certain words you just don't want to hear on a boat. I think the worst one's got to be, where's that water coming from? Some other ones we don't like, or what's that noise? The funniest one we heard this morning, though, was, Dad, my turd's laying the wrong direction. It won't go down. So the number one question we always get asked from people is, how do the boys do school? The next question people always ask is, what do you do living on a boat every day? So, let us show you.
I'm the first one to wake up at 4:30 in the morning, so I can start teaching online.
As we slowly wake up, we all go sit outside while Mom finishes work and read our morning Bible study with Dad outside.
And then I take the 5-minute walk down the dock to our truck and drive to work.
Yeah, we brought them. Some mornings are just too beautiful on the water to start with school. So we're starting this morning on the dinghy because the water is so smooth and clear that we can see the whole bottom of the water. So we're going to go fishing and snorkeling right now in the morning. It's about 8 o'clock. That was great. While exploring the Florida Keys, we have seen all sorts of animal life. You just never know what you're gonna find. We've seen sharks, dolphins, turtles, fish, and today we had manatees come check us out.
Oh, it's kind of rough. Like sandpaper? Hey, buddy. If you put his mother, just tell me over here. Oh, I can't pet him. His nostrils closed. Here he goes. There he goes. I We do school online and read lots of books.
Each day, we also try to take time to go have fun. We either explore the waters, hike, go to the pool here at the marina, or down to the beach.
It's not all paradise. We do still own a boat, after all. So we started have some Hello Fresh. It's a mail order meal where everything comes in a bag along with all your meats, and it just comes like this. You open it up and it's got your instructions. It's been really convenient because we don't have to think about cooking or grocery shopping. It just shows up. We pick one of 3 meals, then we go. Oh.
We know time with these boys is short. We are grateful for every new day. Take time to enjoy your loved ones. Laugh, love, and enjoy your journey, wherever it may take you.
Well, we hope you guys enjoyed a day in our life. Thanks so much for watching. If you would, please hit that subscribe button if you don't already get our weekly emails to let you know when we post a new video. Also, please leave a comment. We love to read them. If you have questions, please put those down there for us as well. If there's something you want to know about, put those in the comments. We'll do our best to share that answer with you later on in the future. So once again, thanks so much for watching. You guys have a great night.